Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of EJ Show, and it's about day 48 of EJ Show English Show, and it's nice to meet you all, guys. And it's another episode, and it's fresh episode, and we are just moving over to the first segment, which is vocabulary bank. So you know that, right? We are just reviewing today in this segment, so we are just moving over to that segment. And Habincha, a signal that something is going to happen. Saccharine, extremely sweet in taste. Delicacy, extreme care in handling something. Pluviophile, a person who deeply enjoys the rain. Felicity, intense feeling of happiness. Serene, calm and peaceful. Quintessential, most essential. Nemesis, rival. Lecnap, small gift given as a sign of gratitude. Liquacious, extremely talkative. Hanger, bargain over price. Immerse, involve deeply in an activity or dip completely in a liquid. Impel, drive or urge to do something. Endeavor, try hard to achieve. Infuriate, make angry. Glimpse, a brief or partial view. Clinomania, intense desire to stay in bed. Eloquence, speech having persuasive quality. Epoch, a long period of time. Ephemeral, lasting for very short period of time. Oblivion, state of being unaware of what is happening around you. Cinderella, a tiny amount of something. Assimilate, becomes similar. Hinders, stops or prevents. Nonchalant, not caring or cool. Ambiguous, not clear. Scoffed, to make fun of. Retrospect, looking back with wisdom. Rejuvenated, alive. Resilient, easily recover from difficult situation. Spur, spontaneous. And slouch, not sitting straight. And that's all for that segment, and we are just winding up that segment, which is vocabulary bank. And for today's episode we are just moving over to the next segment, which is the open file. For today, as usual, I don't get any specific topic to discuss with you all, guys, and that's why I am just what planning to discuss some what general discussion with regard to some small topic. That's all. And for today, I just also the last night I just watched some household too. Right, I am just nowadays I am just focusing on watching the series of household, and it's completely of four movies are the household 1 to 4. So I just watched earlier 4 and 3, and yesterday I just watched the second part. And also I am just planning for first part of household 2. So if time and net allows, then I will download it and watch it. And it's something I one thing that I want to what uh, said is that I totally enjoyed the second part. The 3 part which I already been watched of household is something apart among the 3 part. I just really enjoyed very much of the second part, which is the story, the thread, which is the content of the story is something which is much stronger than the other two. That's why I'm generally accepted or enjoyed it very much, and it's completely of a fun package and something which is much more realistic than the other two, third part and fourth part. That's why I enjoyed it really well. So I really like it, and the actress who is acted in that film is also some my native citizen as well. So it's Hasin. She is from Kerala too. So she is also something done a great job in that movie, and she done it perfectly as well. So there is nothing like that or acting what want to prove to be an actress. So, sorry, and it's not the stage or level of act to prove something or anything, and it's not that, and it's completely of any package or fun package that in that way of sense of way she done it nicely. So I totally enjoyed everyone's performance, and it's something that I really loved it. And for today's afternoon section I just watched what Expendables first. So it's totally, whenever I saw that kind of movies I totally got that goosebumps in my hands as well. So it's because the way they narrate the story as well as how they present in the screen, it's something which I really liked it. That's differentiate Hollywood movies from apart from the other industry as well. So the way the choreography, everything, the stunt sequence, everything is perfection is there in every part of that. What as a whole, it's completely a good package, and individually everything, the acting level or the choreography or the DOP, everything direction, everything has its own standard of standard level of standard. So you can see it's totally what that amazed me so many times. That's why I just have that thought to rewatch it. That's why I watched it, and I just downloaded early in the morning of the second part as well. So for today I just planning for watching it. Otherwise I will just download the Houseful first part, and as my mind said which one, either of either of the both, I will just select one and I will uh, place it for night show. So that's all, and that's all for today. I'm just completely what not getting that kind of full involvement in anything because I don't know. I am completely blank. You know, for everything, the morning is the best thing that you can refresh. And if your morning day or the what wake up time is completely of some serene or calm mood, then you can control your entire day. I think that kind of way. That's why I am just only what consider my emotions or perspective, right? That's why I can what speak through you all guys, and totally I am enjoying the day, but not in a way that I am planned. That's why I am. So I am just nowadays I am totally what measuring myself how I can overcome, or I am being completely depressed nowadays because I don't even do, I don't have anything to do in my home. That's why some normal usual jobs are there, but I am interesting in, or I have to encounter something which is what challenge me. That's always I just looking over to some challenges in my life. That's why I always do something like that at the early stages when I studied at Erna, Kochi. I used to, when I studied in the institute, the C Institute. I don't want to mention that institute without doing any promotion to that institute. I have to mention that. That's why. And during that time period, then I was uh, going from my what staying home to institute completely on by road, by like what only by walking, and it's because I just have to enjoy the pain. It's not like a psychopath way of thinking, but it's actually I really like at that moment, and not that moment. I actually maintain that kind of wave every time, and I just have to maintain what that kind of challenges every time, and really like I don't like that kind of comfort zone because I totally have to do something which challenges me and which is not a common thing, and every people moving over to a common path. I have to go for a narrow or concise, uh, or we can see a succinct way of what life, and I totally want to achieve, which means that not in other others point of view, but in me I have to, in my perspective I have to achieve so much things in my life. I think at the early stages of my what beginning, at beginning I just have that kind of thoughts, and I have to what inculcate so much what hardworking, or what what the word is that, I just got some word from YouTube video, and which is that, so I'm just not getting that kind of word for the moment. So back to the topic, I am just liked it. And after at the one thing that I have to mention here is that the pains that will brings you the memories in the future. I totally enjoyed each and every pain that already been faced by me at each phases of my life, and I totally enjoy it. It's because what I ca- I need improvement. It's because I don't want to showcase myself to the other community or the entire community that I am willing, or I am that much strong enough to compete to the society. I just have to compete to myself, and I normally loved, or I really like that kind of friendship when we have that give and take pulse. And I normally used to tease my friends as well. It's because they have to be uh, tease me as well. It's because the friendship bond should have that kind of relation. If the ego works within them, it won't be that much sincere to that relation. That's why I'm no what constraining myself in that kind of relationship. And I totally enjoy friendship in a way that I can share everything. And nowadays I am completely constrain myself for being contactless, contactless to the friendship mode. So I just have to replan everything or reschedule everything in my entire life, and everything that I already been planned in my life is completely a what bomb blast, bomb blast, bomb blast. It's because I can't achieve anything which is not in our control. So I totally misunderstand so many things. And one thing that I always do is that the surroundings, or the way I reach the situations, or the surroundings that I am available, I just observe everything. It's because I can see one Abdul Kalam, or even a no one in this universe is worthless. Everyone is worthless. Not everything, everyone is worth, in a way that we can find the true spirit of what they are willing, or they are skillful. So we have to find out the other species or other mankinds who have that kind of a core or unique skill set, and we have to find out and use it effectively. The best what resources in this universe is the HR, that is human resource. That there is vast or unlimited variations, or that kind of un- unlimited plethora amount of creativities are there in human gender. So it's whether it's not a man or woman, it's nothing like that, but it's actually completely what we can use it properly, then we will get that drastic or completely a topmost result. It's because, but the only thing is that we we know that we should have that knowledge how to use them. There it should be totally what makes us that kind of successful. So I am totally enjoying each moment, and one thing for sure is that each pain you achieved or you gained in your lifetime will makes you that kind of strong enough to compete to the future as well. Actually, you have to listen is that actually it's about what future. We all are looking forward to future, right? And we have to be that much strong enough to compete in the future as well. It's because yesterday the way you see in this society is not the way that you have seen today, right? That's the same way you should see today is not the way that you can see tomorrow. Totally it's changing, and a day it consists of 24 hours, and anything can be happen within that 24 hours, right? And you are not a what main core thing in this universe. Everything has in this universe has a what chain of action, and you are one part of that. And if you have completed your fate or destiny, then you are out from this chain of action, right? So that's all. Don't even be tensed of anything, or you don't even have completed my studies, uh, not getting any job or not achieving my goals. There is nothing like that. Just do whatever your mind tells, right? You heard only your mind, and outside forces are not what in what what instincts you to do that and do this, etc., etc. It's only you can decide what you can do in this, in the present scenario as well as in future. So prove prove the other world that you are willing, or you are that much strong enough to compete in the society. So makes your ideas into reality. That's why, that's all. And one for at last I have to mention that the same thing that I am just repeating it, that every pain you have been sacrificed, or you the wishes or the dreams that you have been wished, or it's completely sacrificed in the phases, you don't want to worry about that. It will automatically happen in your life, and just focus on that. The best is yet to come, right? And that's all, and we are just winding up today's episode, and it's about day 48, 48, right? And 2 days more we reach the half century, right? And we have to plan for longer journey. So we are just planning for, we are just don't even planning for anything, but day after day I am just being improved, and you are the main thing, and I am just repeating the same thing. That's why I am just don't even go for boring you all guys, and we are just winding up today's episode. It's about day 48, right? 48, 48 of VJ Show, English Show, and here Jitin signing off. And bye for now. See you later. See you next time in the next episode. Bye bye. Tata.